My name is Bernard Olami Michael, and this is our group submission for this for week 6. So, okay. So last week we did this. We the user we are adding. Okay, let me say we added admin and header. So we included admin and header to the collection and the database. And if you look at the admin, you try looking at the admin. So displays the admin, so it's working. So we try to get the admin by ID, or it should work because I didn't include the authenticator, the admin, or the ID. All right, so it should work. Or if I want to edit this, it's not going to work because I've not logged in. It's not going to work because I've now. So it's going to give me you don't have access. Same goes to if I want to create also. I'll try it out. If I click execute, so I do not have access. So the same goes to delete too. So I want to delete. So if I execute this, it's going to tell me I do not have access also. Sorry, that must be the network. That must be the network. I know it's loading just to be on the server side. I know I added that, but just to be on the server side. So, is it done? Alright, okay, so now it's working. You don't have access, so that's the delete. This shows that you don't also have access. So if we look at so that's for the admin. Let me just close this. That's for the admin. So we check for the order also the same thing. So try to get the order to execute that. Alright, so it shows the order. But if you go to delete also to check, it's going to give you there is no access also until you log in. So you don't have access to. So that goes for this 3 also. So now for me to log in, I have to log in first. So I have to log in first. So log in. So now I have logged in as none. So that's because the reason why it's showing none is because in my GitHub, so my display name, I didn't put anything there. So and if you look inside, there's my code here. Oh no, you can't see it here. You can see it here. So it's already in the render. So anyway, that's the reason why it's showing the none because I didn't put display name. So now if you go back to this place, so if you go back to this place, so the order, let's start with the post. So I'm going to make an attempt to create something with this without editing it. So for you to show that I have logged in, and at the same time for you to see that there is validation. So we validated it. So I execute this now. It's going to give me. Oh, sorry. I have to change it to 80. Yes, to secure. So now if I execute this again, so it's going to give me. All right. So now it's going to give me the validation error, which means I am logged in now. So it's giving me the validation error, the requirement, and something like that. So same goes to order 2. So if I click on it too, so it's going to show that I have logged in. That must be the network. That must be the network. I'm sorry about that. All right. So the order has been created also. So the order has been created too. So if you look at the order now, if you get to the order now, you're going to see. Try it out now. You're going to see the order has been created. Oof. Network. I'm sorry about the network. It's taking time. All right. Okay, so looking at the order right now, so you can see this that. So for me to delete this now, so for you to know that the delete is also working, that's for the order. All right. So now it has been deleted. So if you check it, you're going to see that one of these has gone. So let me try and execute that again. So you can see that one. So I have to delete this too. They're just for practice. They're just for practice. All right, I think it's gone. So that's okay. Get so we just get this now. All right, so it's gone. So everything is gone there. So that's it about the order. So and that's it about the two collections that we added. So which is admin and order. So now to go to the test unit. So so this is the test unit test to test the get endpoint and the get by ID. So we only have to do the get, but we included the get by ID also. And here we also test if the ID is not the same, so it's going to have a response. So we tested that too. So which this is it does if statement that if not user ID, so which is a user ID, so there should be a response. So we test that too, and we actually apply that. So now if I test that now, I should be getting error, and the reason why I'll be getting error is because of this timeout here. Because of this timeout here, because my network is not strong right now. So I'm going to get error if I should run it now, because there will be timeout while waiting for my network to be strong. So I should be getting error. Okay. You see, like I said, so out of 12 in total, 9 passed. So while trying to pass the remaining 3 network issue, if you look at it here, it says add a timer value to this test to increase the timeout. So now to make it more easier for me, I will just add another 0 to make it 10,000. So to make it 100,000. So 100,000 per second. So milliseconds rather. So this is so 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 when I do this now, when I come back here, oh sorry, okay, when I come back here to run it again, um I should be getting the right result. So everything should pass because I've increased the timeout, so it's going to give it enough time for it. So fine. So now we now have 4 in total, so 12 passed. So the reason why it is 12 is because in each unit test, so I am testing for 3 things here. Number one, the first one is get the user, the old user, get it by ID, and the third one is if the ID is not correct. So and these 3 tests inside, so every inside the 4 collection. So that's about the test. So thank you very much.